it comes to hair masks and deep conditioners, they're definitely two different things. Deep conditioner brings you moisture. Hair mask brings you strengthening.
Perfect.
What's up, guys, and thank you for clicking back into my channel. My name is Phylicia, where everything is 4C Hair family. I know a lot of naturals, they deal with drier hair during the summertime. So it definitely could be a struggle. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to keep my hair so moisturized and all that other good stuff. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Now, as you can see, my hair is extremely dry, and I wanted to get it this way for you guys can see me actually bring it to life. So the normal things that I would usually do, I did not do for it could get to this point, but I can show you how to bring it back, but also keep it that way and never return back to this point, because me and you both look crazy right now.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so I definitely left this in my hair for 5 hours, but you don't have to do that. Honestly, I would just recommend you keep it in for an hour and then rinse it out. The only reason mine was in there for 5 hours was because I got kids and I got sidetracked, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this out real quick. I'll be back. Alright, and so now this is how my hair looks. It is so soft, nowhere near damaged anymore. It was brought back to life. When it comes to hair masks and deep conditioners, they're definitely two different things. Deep conditioner brings you moisture. Hair mask brings you strengthening. Those are the two differences. And when it comes to my 4C hair, I need to do it once a month. Now that I did my hair mask, I don't need to decondition. And now I'm just going to style. And I follow the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, oil. You can do the aloe method, which is liquid, oil, and cream. That just depends on you. I find that with my hair, my 4C hair, it's better to seal in the cream than to seal in liquid. It lasts longer. right guys, so I am finished. Yes, I actually did my twist a little bit smaller. Don't be afraid, this residue will go away. But as you can tell, my hair is already looking juicy and moisturized, and that's what we want in the summer, okay? Me all year round, you the summer. So yeah, I'm not gonna take these out for a couple days, and when it is time to take them out, you will see how beautiful your hair is gonna come out and how moisturized it will turn out. Okay. My hair is still moisturized. I don't know if you guys can tell, but honestly, the most important thing to keep your hair moisturized during the summer is the products you use and the ingredients that are in those products. I did find out that doing my own hair mask works very well for my hair. It keeps my hair so moisturized because of the ingredients that are in it, as you saw, and also what products I use outside of my DIY, which is Bandana collection. Their product is strictly like so moisturizing, and it honestly, for me, gears towards 4C hair, and I definitely think you guys should check them out. My hair is just moisturized, and it's been more than like a week right now, and that is with me playing outside with the kids. It is so hot down here in Miami, so if my hair can survive in Miami, y'all hair can survive anywhere else, okay? So I definitely say look into, trying your own hair mask. Look into those ingredients that enrich your hair and keep it moisturized the longest. You need it. If you would like to see more like how to maintain your hair during the summer, quick hairstyles, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely do that. But until next time, y'all.